Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having an amazing day. Congrats again to our community members and followers who are actually taking massive profits on this coin here. Very well done. Quick congrats to our members as well for Veracity Trade, which took 61%, Ethereum Classic 78. Luna 2, actually I think we took, 179% on that one. And of course a nice little Solana trade as well from a while back, 50% there. So again, keep up the good work. Congrats on that to our community members. We got a lot more signals coming here soon. Today is looking primed and ready for a wonderful, wonderful weekend. So we're going to talk about Crocoin. The last thing I want to talk about, though, before we jump into that, is an important announcement here. I just partnered with Bitunix. If you use the link down below, you'll get upwards of $5,500 in newbie benefits that await you. There's mystery boxes and, of course, a deposit reward bonus. Phenomenal exchange, no KYC or VPN required. And if you're curious about our premium results, I get the question a lot. Those are found on our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. They're typically pinned up top. Okay, so again, what we're going to look at here with Crocoin is a few key factors. On the 4-hour time frame, we're looking at the price action doing very well. We got a strong amount of support at about 8 cents even. Well, actually, we could round up and say 8.1. So 8.1 cents is a strong support based on volume. Again, you got to pay attention to volume. If you're not watching it, it's going to you're going to be missing out because it's a really strong indicator. And the key takeaway here is we've seen a lot of volume coming into this coin. We take a look at the money flow index here. Look at this RSI at 96. This is insane. It rarely happens this much of an overextension on coins. Obviously, I think we hit that level roughly when we went parabolic in 2021. Coincidentally, it was in November. In fact, we're even higher now. We're at an 85 last time because we had periods of consolidation before the price continued to go massive. Right now, we're doing the same thing, and I get the question a lot, are we going to get back to that level? I think so, but the truth is we will need to calm down a little bit in order for us to get there. Okay, that's just the simple way of understanding it. But you got to recognize we've blasted through both these key level resistances, which are previous month and weekly closes. Okay, so this level here at about 8.67, round number 8.7 cents, is a strong support for us likely moving forward, as long as we can close above that here today. And I think we're due for that because we only got 6 hours left in this candle. Last but not least, though, just taking a look here, money flow index, insanely high. It's actually going higher than the RSI. That's a phenomenal thing. We need to see that. Stochastic RSI is telling us we are due for a correction, so keep in mind there is potential for a pullback here. But once more, we take a look at TD sequential, we can see that we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Today is day number 9, basically, ever since we broke out above that 6.2 cent mark. Okay, so day number 9, it's definitely looking very strong, but just know when you're at a 9, it's common for the price to pull back. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do see a minor correction, but the truth is, as long as the money flow index stays high, we're good. And if we see here on this chart here, the 4-hour time frame, we did have a dip here recently because, of course, the price action pulled back a little bit a few days ago. Keep in mind this is a 14 candlestick lag, so this average here is roughly last 14 candles, not just today. But the truth is, it's averaging out a lot higher. Money's flowing back into the coin, and the price is going up. Okay, so those are all positive signs. MACD looking very strong here, of course, seeing we have a strong convergence. I love that we broke through this key level resistance. So once again, 8.5 to 8.7 is that support level we have based on previous resistance turned new support. Okay, now if we zoom in a little bit further, sorry, the chart looks kind of funky, but if we zoom in right here, we can see how much volume is in this range. Once again, that 8.1 cent is very strong accumulation. So the price does pull back. My speculation is 8.1 will be a support level for us. At the very least. I do not even think it'll come back down that low because of the fact that we just broke through this massive resistance level and it's not looking back at all. Okay, just know we're still a bit on the overextended side, but that's kind of a common theme or denominator here. Okay, if we do see a pullback, just bear in mind it will pull back to some of these levels here, and we just want to be mindful of that. So I just like to kind of give you the worst case scenario. If it were to come back, I would say the lowest point we should see is this 0.382 level at about 7.8 cents. Because that's that previous resistance level turned support. Okay, so heaven forbid we kind of come down to one of these. I think this would be a strong, heavy accumulation area right here, because then the price action should bounce from there. Okay, again, fantastic stuff here. Last thing we want to look at is the cloud, which is obviously going to confirm that we're in really good shape here. No need to close your position. But once again, big surprise, take a look at this here. Come up to a 9, hit that resistance level, consolidate for a little while, get a reset, or back up to another 9. So in truth, we need to see some kind of consolidation here or potentially a leg down here so to warrant our next leg up so we can have that consistency. And if the price stays overextended for too long, it could come back a lot harder than we want it to. So to me, I'd welcome an entry here at about 8.7. This might be a consideration for a long position. Okay. All right, so that's pretty much all we got there. Phenomenal stuff. Again, make sure you check out our new partnership here with Bitunix. Phenomenal exchange. Again, no KYC, no VPN required. And obviously, if questions, concerns, all the above, link down below. You can reach out to me in whichever way you see fit. I do look forward to working with you, though. Thanks again for your time. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.